Hey there my peeps, Grammy T from Grammy T Knows. In this video, I'm going to show you another tool that comes with Adobe Podcast. Adobe Podcast is still in the beta stages. It's free. You do have to sign up for the complete Adobe Podcast tool, but you can use the quick tools, the enhanced speech tool and the check mic tool. You can use those. They're not 100% yet. They're still being tested. However, when they work really well. So today I'm going to show you the check mic tool. You go to your search engine and type in Adobe. Now I've already used it, so it's going to pick it up as soon as I start typing it in. So Adobe Podcast. You're going to come right here and click on it. And as you can see, Adobe Podcast Beta. You can request access to sign up for it, but it is still in the beta stages. But these tools right here are working. The enhanced speech tool, which does a phenomenal job at removing background noise and echoes. But the one I want to show you today is Mic Check, which helps you with positioning your mic. And then you would come right here, choose Start, and this format will come up, which will test the distance of the microphone, the gain, the background noise, and the echo. To test it out, I'm going to move my microphone away from me. I'm going to move it up and away. Okay, so now I'm going to test mic, and I'm just talking. This channel is for small and new business owners who don't have the budget to hire professionals in videography, photography, and graphic design. I bring you tips and tricks that you can use to enhance your media. We're going to stop it here and let's see what the results are. Okay, so let's see what it sounds like. We already see what the results are. The microphone is too far away, and that's true. And it's saying more gain. The background noise, there was none, it seems, and there's not much of an echo, but let's hear it to see what it sounds like. Do test mic, and I'm just talking, I'll just do some random talking. This channel is for... Okay, so we're going to stop it there. Now that I have the microphone in front of me, I'm going to see what that test looks like. So we'll go back in. Let's see what this sounds like. So here it is. The microphone is now being tested. I placed it closer to me. Let's see if there's going to be a change in the distance, the gain, the background noise, and the echo. So I'm going to stop the test now and let's hear what it sounds like. Okay, and it looks like there's less of an echo. There's no background noise. And the microphone seems to be in a better spot. The gain, I don't know, for some reason, I don't know if this is something that they're still working on because it doesn't really do a whole lot. I think the original, the one that I did previously, I think it was further away, but I can't seem to get it to come over into this area. So it may be something that Adobe is still working on, but this is really good because it gets you closer than where you were before if your microphone is too far. And let's see what it sounds like. So here it is. The microphone is now being tested. I placed it closer to me. Let's see if there's going to be a change in the distance, the gain, the background noise, and the echo. So I'm going to stop the test now and let's hear what it sounds like. Okay. So you see, it sounded great. I think it sounded a whole lot better than when it was further away. It seemed more echoey, and you could tell that the microphone was too far away. So it kind of helps you to guide you, to let you know if you place your mic too far away, bring it in some. If you have echo in the room, you can do things to resolve that as well. And background noises. So this is a tool that can help you. Like I said, it's not 100%, but between this tool and the enhancement speech tool, I believe that it would render better results in your recording. And of course, test this tool out yourself and let me know in the comments section below if it worked out for you, if it helped you any. And I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.